What's up, mechanics? Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to VIM Tools headquarters for another episode of Tool Tuesday.
You know, it's always what's up, mechanics, and never how are you, mechanics. That's a t-shirt.
Yeah, come on. You want to say it? We got a special guest. Here we go.
It's our in-house intern.
What's up, mechanics?
There you go. He's been wanting to say that all day. He waited all day for it.
Okay, we've got a lot to get to today. We have questions to answer first. New products and Piper's pick.
Yes.
So, first question. Someone's wondering if we can make the heavy-duty ratchets with a quick release. They say that the only drawback when using stubby sockets like the ones in the MMS 450 kit, sometimes it's a fight to get them off.
The stubbies, yeah. So the problem with that is that we can 1,000%. It is not difficult to do, but when doing R&D on these ratchets, it is seen in the professional market with a quick release button. That means you have a hole through the center of the square drive, which some people tend to see as weaker, which is not always the case. But you know, you can't really change people's mind. It's better off making product that people see and believe in, even though they both work the same.
Having a solid anvil is much stronger than having one with a hole down the center. So that's why we call them heavy duty. We're going to do some other ratchets that maybe.
Yeah, we will. We will do some other ratchets, but right now we're going to have these, and they're going to stay non-quick release. I do hear you, but that is the reason we decided not to in the first place.
That's why they're heavy duty. Okay, next question. This is a pretty long comment, so I'm just going to skip to the part where he asks a question. He says, what would you recommend to somebody that has it all? Any one specialized tool you have that maybe is more unique to VIM? Yeah, so one of them we're going to show after this, so keep watching. This is another one, which is the FFDD400K. They are all spring-loaded dual drive universal joints. So you can use them on a quarter ratchet or on an 11mm wrench. And in a wrench with a retaining ring, not only do they lock in place, but they add no height at all. If you put it onto a ratchet, whatever width that ratchet head is the amount of height you're adding to that UJ.
Plus a little bit extra because of square drive.
Yeah, so if you are in a very tight access spot, these are perfect for you.
And like you said, spring-loaded.
Spring-loaded.
Super stubby. You get this off a flagship truck with these four popular sizes, you're talking 200 plus bucks, around that. Without not being in a set, you're building your own, no spring load, no dual drive, just plain UJs.
Just this one piece right here goes for 90 on a certain flagship.
Yeah, there you go. Good tool.
This whole set is around that.
This whole set lists for like 105 bucks, something like that.
Yeah, and lifetime warranty.
Yes, sir.
Also, the ratcheting flare nut wrenches, these are unique to us, and this is something that we have an update on. But either way, these bite on all 6 flats, and they are ratcheting because they're spring-loaded. When you turn counterclockwise with these, the jaw actually opens and re-engages onto the next position so that you can keep turning. And they're also compatible with both metric sizes as well as standard.
Because they're spring-loaded, so it opens up enough to work for both.
And they overlap with themselves, so if they're ever going to expand, it'll bite on the bottom jaw before they do. And it takes all the pressure that you would think would be on this pin off. So they're actually pretty strong. And we still have to do that video.
Yeah, we do.
Torque testing these.
We do.
We will do that soon, so follow us on Instagram if you're not already.
Well, you'll notice this looks different than the first time we brought them out. That is because you guys asked for no skips, and obviously the 9 is missing because that's not very popular, but we did just that. Now you're going to have from 8 all the way up to 19 without any skips except for the 9mm. You asked, we delivered.
Yeah, well, hold on. Wait, we didn't even show it. So, because we were really quick with this. We released the RFW100 and 200 first. Everybody said they wanted the missing sizes. So now we have RFW100, RFW150, and RFW200. So now you have 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 24, 27, 30, and 32. So all the sizes that everybody was complaining were missing are now there in the RFW150 and 100. The 200 is staying the same.
Yes.
Bam. One other update. I'm just going to go through this quickly because now we're running over.
But I was trying to move on from that. Like, we're doing a quick overview. You went over the entire product.
Okay, these are very popular. You've seen them before. Everyone asks us to make them in standard, especially aviation guys. So look what it is.
You've been heard.
So the difference between the metric and the standard is that the standard set is going to have this gold inner ring, and the metric set is black.
And that's how you'll identify them in your toolbox without having to really look at those part numbers.
What do you guys think? Do you like the black or do you like the gold more? I'm more of a fan of the black.
I don't mind the gold, but let me tell you a little secret. It doesn't matter because they're already being made like that. So you can tell me what you want, but
What do you prefer? We're not changing it though. Okay, now we can move on.
okay, cool. So now on to a couple different things I want to talk about. WSA100. These guys are relatively new, but you have seen them before. What I want to talk about today is that we have them back in stock. So put your orders in before they go back out of stock again because they're a popular little kit. And now how they work is like this. You can use these little guys. They're adapters, wobble socket adapters. You have a 1/4, 3/8, and a half. They each go into a different size wrench, ratcheting wrench or box end. So you get this one. This is a 3/8 by 14 millimeter. You get a 14 millimeter ratcheting wrench. Now you have a very low profile ratchet that is a 2-set wobble. So you can use it with a fixed socket or you can make it into a wobble. And if you really want a breaker bar to apply some extra torque, now boom. Now you have a breaker bar of sorts for higher torque. Same concept with the 2-step wobble, obviously. And you have, Michael got me a little sample here so I could show you. Boom, boom. Fixed. Wobble. And that's how they work. We have them in 1/4, 3/8, half.
Most people know that by Wobble Plus.
Wobble Plus.
We've been calling it 2-step wobble, but I hear everybody call it Wobble Plus.
Oh, you know, you want to be different. You want to be the same. You want to be a sheet. Go for it. All right, next, because Michael took too much time, so we got to hurry up. We have part of our HSC200, which consists of 4 of each of these hub and stud cleaners right here. You're going to get a tube like this with 4 of each of them in it. This guy is to clean the actual hub, so it goes right on over the stud, cleans it. It's going to come also with the adapter that goes on them so that you can universally plug this or this into and put on a drill so you can clean it real easily. 4 of these for the hub cleaners and 4 of these for the stud cleaners, right? So this will clean all the actual threads, get that rust off. Now these are made for trucks. This is why this is the bigger version, the 200. The HSC100 is the exact same thing, smaller sizes, meant for cars.
What's nice about those is that they're quick release.
Yep,
These quick release tabs on the side make it very easy to just pop them in and out.
So for you rust belt mechanics or, you know, DIYers that are in the rust belt, you want to clean your hubs, your studs when you're changing tires or doing whatever you got to do, this is for you. HSC100 and HSC200. Truck, car. 200 is a bigger one, 100 smaller one. That is that set. Next, you all know and love this guy right here, the wrench extender, WE15. You've bought them, you've sold them out, you bought them again, you sold them out again. They keep coming in, they keep going out like freaking hotcakes. But we have something new to show you.
Okay, maybe you've seen this at SEMA. That's where we posted the first video of this. And we've shown it once on this channel, and it's been very popular. But this is an extendable wrench extender. Not only that, do you know the length of this one fully extended?
26. Hence the part number TWE26.
26 inches.
Goes from 17 to 26. It's 26.
Don't need it. 26 inches. It comes with this little thing down here
Little.
so that you can pop the head off these guys.
What's the part number on that thing?
On what?
That.
TH21.
No, that.
Doesn't have a part number.
Yeah, it does.
Well, I don't know it. That's the part number?
That's part number.
Okay. So here are the attachments minus the breaker bar. I couldn't find the breaker bar, but we do have a breaker bar
Indexing
attachment
breaker
for
bar,
this.
obviously. Breaker bar's indexed.
When you buy this, it's going to come with the handle and the wrench extender as an extendable wrench extender, and you have add-ons that are a flex head ratchet or a spring-loaded crowfoot.
And now, right now, the one that's going to be available the soonest is the wrench extender with the handle. In the not so near future, you're going to see a set that includes the breaker bar, the ratchet, flex head, and the crowfoot. So, not to fear though, you can also always buy the extender, use it as is, and then buy the attachments to it. It's going to be the same thing. You'll have the full set anyways.
Look, it's quick release.
That is quick release. See? Boom. Quick release.
Yep. As well as the breaker bar. And we got these same attachments coming for the 3/4 inch version. We have a large crowfoot wrench and indexing pry bar.
Yes, we do. And
That's a little further out.
comes with a lifetime warranty, as all of our other things, except for the that doesn't have a warranty.
Part number POP. All right.
I think that's all for today. And now we're on to
Piper's pick.
You're a piece of shit. I was supposed to say
You're taking too long.
We are picking the winner for Piper's pick for the month of May. We have how many entries?
790.
790. That's more than we've ever had. So Piper here is gonna get to picking. Piper, come on. Button, press. 6. No. Oh my God. 3-1.
631.
631.
All right, that counts.
It was still picked.
631.
She went elbows, knees, and toes on that one. Jeez, she went pop, pop.
Okay, at Nick88GM. Congratulations.
There we go.
You are the winner of Piper's Pick, and you'll be getting a message from us on Instagram pretty shortly.
In a box of goodies.
In a box of goodies that we already have packed over here.
Bada bing, bada boom. Quick, simple, easy. Enter next month, do not forget. And that's it for today, right?
We'll see you later.
Peace out.
Peace.